In this video, we're going to look at accessing the KPR D2L Brightspace environment and finding your courses. The first thing you should do is open a browser, and in the address bar, type in kprweb.kprdsp.ca/students. If you're on a school machine, you'll be automatically logged in to the KPR student web. If you're on a personal device, you'll have to enter your school credentials to gain access. From here, you can click the Outlook icon to access your school email. There may very well be messaging waiting here regarding your course. To access D2L Brightspace, you click on the icon. Inside the KPR D2L Brightspace environment, you can see a nav bar with some resources, including student tools. From here, I can click on the Student D2L Help icon to access some videos. To find my course, I can click on the waffle, and a drop-down will give me all the courses that are currently active. I can simply click on a course to access it. Alternatively, I can scroll down the side and find My Courses. From here, I can click into the appropriate course that's currently active. If you're taking a course offered from another school board, you can continue scrolling to the My Courses and Other Orgs widget. If you're enrolled, you'll find the link here. Clicking any of these links will bring you into the course and you can begin your work.